Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we have been promised from the previous video so they can interface with the database, but we get basic things that we left behind where I want to follow we work on. The error will be there na the button and we get that label where they show say na layout. How for pull this label, this is the label list, the button list. If you take a look at it in this. Now we launch a very quick one and see what in they talk about that now one. And number two, we need for put this whole code now, we need for put inside a single code. Let's just close this code. Code away very important what we left behind from we inception stage. What's in our code? What is it for? This code now in the help follow we will save. Let the client we will interface with the server by saving or retrieving, not only retrieving and also for delete and modify the record scene right inside the server. What in the server? Now this na the server, the SQL server, this database. This na the table list where we work around. For let we will save now do everything. Let we work on that code quick. First, you need for use your eraser, forget this C# code. Then you use the word using. Then automatically you open and close in brackets. What if for the day is a begin form. That begin form is the method, is the function we're responsible for all that. So you go just say HTML dot begin form. Then you get the method signature. Inside the method signature, now they can put your controller command, your action. The action meaning the function. You no need for indicator now. If you left an empty, so you know the controller way they deal with, what is the action way they deal with. Maybe for no mistake, you can left so. Then you can then put what in after in. You then put the method way for deal with. It's a form method. If you build it in post, it will allow you for post. In all this stop so you also need for tell them say I want for let you able for upload images interface with different things and therefore you get something here what we call yes. Inside here you put what you call n type. Then you tell us let be multiparts or your form data. This and the code is this code I can get in body open and close. This and body this. Now inside this body, this whole code is inside it. Inside this body. Now do they take this whole code now or put it inside. Actually, this now the code is so left behind. So if we close this one now, you don't see inside now the everything don't go. Now enable help you for post. Then the number two thing or left behind. What I want to see what can I branch. This error follow fix them up quick. Then before now they can this error now. You see this layout label not for the day. So the best way for fix her would they pull her from this box or called group box or count another and play around them. How forget about them? For you to achieve them, you get for shut this down first. Close them. Good. Then we can downside. It's simple for you. All these functions you just need for copy them. But what if you do? We're not going to use this group again. Or rather, we can create we on outside here. So you can use your Okay, I can say I can use me div stem, my HTML syntax there as a div. Div na container where it dey use for create a whole section. Then inside this division, now that I can put me C# code now. I tell am say I need a HTML code. Then I say DevExpress, which is good. Then I tell am say I need button. That button, I configure the button now. In the button configuration, I can then, because I don't use this one here, I can just continue with this one. I say B, then from there, again the arrow. After the arrow, again this. Now inside here, I just copy all this guy, like I did so. In fact, I just cut and not to copy self. I can't paste on there. You don't get the button. Then this one, you can pull on there. In fact, you're not useful anymore. You know, always stop so. And while we note say this division, this one here, we get this DevExpress division. I see here, this dev. We say HTML, look at HTML, yeah. We can also get in division here. For then get different divs, but inside one container. It can also work. You see the container, this container gets there all. So this division here, now form layout, it configure. This division here, now button, it configure. Yes, it work. Now we get two division here. For we not go box up. We say we need div now for it work. Then also okay, now we can take this guy, put it inside there. So we don't get two division. This division, good. Look the division in there. But what I want to explain, this division, in gets this get HTML. What in they do? They convert this C# code, server code, into a browser language where the browser will be able to interface with. So if this not in here, it not be able to work at all. We also need an here. You don't see automatically we don't get with divisions them. This code for let it define. We can just able highlight here. Then we say format section. Say we don't get a straight. Good. So okay, then make then divisions there. Good for watch. Then I can refresh now. Follow C. Good. We don't convert now. Now let me see. I think now this are the try to talk about. After that, now we'll start for can interface with the database. Quick one. So at this end, we'll start for can interface with the database. But something that will be very, very important. If I click my button, let it not just save the record. Let it even ask me, confirm you saving. Meaning, you should say you want to save this record. The person need for affirm. Oh, you see where the button long? The button don't come outside by long. Because we tell us let be 100%. So we can customize it. Good. This one not for the now. You don't see? See let it be 100%. We pull them. You see? So we need also for work around only. Once this the load, we will get the function, then caller b dot yes, if I not go forget now, client side events. Yes, say if the client click the button, okay, yes, when you click the button, what if happen? Good. Now what if happen when the clients click the button? Now we dey configure what if happen here actually. But I want we left hand for let the video not too long. When we come to the next interaction, we'll just leave this code. Let's see this one quickly and see something the way button will don't small. You see it don't small, then also it don't count before ya. So the same way we do this padding, and the same way we can do now. Now we can now make we create this div. With the div, we just say style. Then inside the style, we say padding left. Then we get a pixel, we say 30 pixel px. Then we save them. Then come now we refresh. If I now say they come before now. You see, it don't come before ya. So we're also able for stretch this one for take this end. But for that, we will do underneath. And this I want follow you understand. You don't see, huh? So that error don't come out now. So we then with follow we can go to the server interaction in the next tutorial. As it is, relax. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you not do it, and don't forget for hit on the subscription if you not the first time. Watch the first video to the last video. Okay, ta-ta.